Yes, definitely dogs can get influenza. It was first discovered in January of 2004, mainly in racing greyhounds. First cases in Colorado were noted in spring of 2006, and we did see a lot of it in the summer and fall of spring of 2006. But really, it is not a very common disease in the general pet population. Typically seen in animal shelters, rescue organizations where large numbers of dogs are housed close together.
What about kennels or boarding facilities?
Certainly there have been outbreaks in boarding kennels.
So in terms of the seriousness of this, we're nowhere near the swine flu, H1N1 seasonal flu with humans. This is not an epidemic among dogs.
No, it is not an epidemic. It's a fairly uncommon disease in dogs, and when it is seen, is typically dogs exposed to large numbers of other dogs. And certainly in terms of the main signs that we see with it are cough, dog's appetite may be down, they may have a discharge from their nose, they can have a fever that's, the owner may think that, my dog feels warm, but most cases, just like flu in people, are going to resolve over time. The cough can persist up to about 3 weeks. There are a few cases, just like in people, where they can develop pneumonia, and those are serious cases.
Well, and so you were just talking about some of the symptoms. Is it one or all of them? If I come home and my dog's got a runny nose or he's got a cough, should I be concerned just because he's coughing, or should I say, oh, wait a minute, I've got a trifecta going here? He's hot, runny nose, coughing.
Certainly the more of those symptoms, I'd be a little more concerned. What I would counsel people to do is to, contact their veterinarian. Their veterinarians, they've got a relationship with them, and it'd probably be a good idea if this is noted that they examine the dog and they can decide, is this something significant? There are lots of reasons dogs cough, and if we look at all those reasons,
right.
Dog flu is a very uncommon cause. So just cough alone doesn't mean your dog has dog flu.
Keep an eye to your dog for sure, and we should say we're out of time, but it is treatable if your dog does have the flu.
Very treatable.
Awesome. Thank you, Doc. What?
I was going to call Zoe over, because you're a cat person.
Zoe is bonding with my boots. Would you please pardon us?
Seriously. Hey, Zoe, thanks for coming in.
Thank you so much for coming in, Doc.
Thanks, Dr. Wheeler. Thanks for coming in. Thanks, Zoe.
Good advice.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Hey, to learn more about canine flu and all you can do to protect your dog from getting it this season, just go to our website, kdvr.com/everyday. We've posted a link there for you for all your questions and answers.
I mean, I'm a cat guy. I like dogs, too.
I didn't say you didn't, but you're a cat person.